Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur, standard third students. Math subject we are going to study. In that the new chapter we started. The name of the chapter is fraction. Students, before once I want to remind you that once please check your mail which you are sent on to the me for cycle test. If you are it is not delivered properly, so you can send it again because so very few students mail I got it. Okay, so if you have any problem you can send on the WhatsApp too. Chalo, let's or any problem any contact to me. See students, today we are going to yesterday's video we are seeing the whole number. What is the whole? Whole not number, whole things. Which are the thing? See, for example, this is whole pen. Is it complete pen? है ना? Whole is nothing but it is the complete. Whole Cadbury, whole chocolate, whole milkshake. Yes or no? If you are, go to eat the ice cream, so that time the half and whole, है ना? Full or half. Full means what? Complete. Full means what? Complete. So FULL full. Okay, so whatever the full, so that it means what? Complete. Whole number, it means the complete things. Whole things are denoted for complete. Okay, so the fraction is what? Fraction is the part of a whole. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of fraction is a part of whole. Whole का part, it is called as fractions. So whole is complete. Whole is nothing but it is complete thing. One half of whole. Now one half of whole, it means what? The things has to be, that thing has to be divided by two. Okay, whole means what? One. Whole we can denote as one. The thing is complete, that's why it is said as one. When one is divided by two, when 1 is divided by 2, so it makes two part. Yes or no? It makes two parts. So for example, now this is pen, so if I want to divide it, so I will cut this frame from between. Yes or no? So like the chapati, you know the chapati, that you have complete chapati, and if you want to make it half part, so what you do? You cut from between. Yes or no? So each part one, if we divide to the one in two equal parts, so each part is called as one half. Each part is called as one half. This is called as one half. Next is one third. What is one third? When one chapati or one whole part has divided into three. My dear students, you are very smarter students. I don't want to tell you that division makes equal parts. Yes or no? Division makes equal parts. So you are dividing to that 1 by 3. So here the 3 are, whatever the answer will come, that is each part will come the equal part. So 1 divided by 3 is whatever the answer will come, that is equal part will come. So okay, that is called as one third. Okay, so this 1 divided by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. 1 divided 3 is equals to 1 by 3. And this division sign and this dash, they are equal. It is called as upon. How we read? 1 by 2. Or how we read? 1, instead of by we can write upon. Okay, 1 upon 3. Understand? In this way we read this. Okay, by also are used and upon also, and by and upon, these word are used for what? This dash. 1 dash 3. If you don't use this word, so how you will read like illiterate? 1 dash 2. So it is not dash. Dash is called as by, or dash is called as upon. Okay, or dash is called as divided. So in the there are three methods, but mainly we read in this format. Okay, now 1/4 of whole. So my dear friends, you tell me now, 1 is divided by 4 equal parts, so each part is called as 1/4. Okay, these are the mathematically we studied. So generally now, is it possible 1 has divided into the 6 part? Yes. Suppose there is one Cadbury Dairy Milk which you like more, and it is having how many? 6 cubes. Yes or no? There are 6 cubes. So each part, whatever the each part that given to the, so we can share this Cadbury into how many peoples? One, if you will get the each equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 peoples will get. So here is one Cadbury, and this is dividing into the 6 people. So how many chocolate or that Cadbury will each will get? They will get 1 upon 6 part, and this part, this is also number. 1 upon 6, this is also number, and these numbers are called as fractions, and these fractions are incomplete number, or we can say that they are the part of whole. Whole is what? 1, and 1/6 is the part of this complete Cadbury. Is it whole Cadbury? Okay, this whole Cadbury's part is this, and this part is denoted by 1/6. This part is also 1/6. This part is also 1/6. Well, this part also 1/6. This part also 1/6. This part is also 1/6. See students, you may think that there is only syllabus is 1/2, 1/3, and 1/6, 1/4. Why sir is teaching 1/6? I am teaching you the what exactly the fraction. Once you understand the fraction, your complete chapter is easy for you. Okay, so I hope you don't understand till that much. 6-minute video you have to revise again, read again, learn again, listen again. Okay, it is for extra purpose I prepared this video for basic concepts. Once you understand the fraction, this you are in 3rd standard, and this fraction concept is for till 10th standard. Okay, so it is very easy and very easy thing. Now you tell me, if I had to total, I have one chapati, one, and I want to share that chapati into 5 peoples. See, my fingers is 5, so 5 peoples I want to share. So each will get what? And they have to share shared by equal. Yes or no? For example, you have visit the pizza corner, pizza. Okay, and that pizza has to share. You are 5 people, so that person, waiter, what he did? He just cut that pizza into such a slices, they make 5. Yes or no? So each will get the equal parts. Yes or no? So this is called as 1/5. This is also 1/5. This is also 1/5. This is also 1/5. This is also 1/5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1/5 it makes complete pizza. Okay, so like that the things, is it fraction? These income fractions are the part of a whole that we had to study today in video. Okay, in the next video I will prepare the, we will study in the separate. Okay, this is for extra knowledge video which I made. So I hope you try to understand. If you don't understand, no matter, okay, take as a complimentary video. Bye.